Okay, this next video we're going to show you how to update the Scramble Derby leaderboard. Down here you'll see the dates of all the times they compete, and then you'll have this that'll be standings. So this is what it's mostly going to look like right in here. As you can see, April 15th, these are the standings right here. Okay, so the first step that we need to do this time is, as you can see, April 15th, they're in there, April 17th, they're in there. Now we have to determine how many points each player is going to get. And you can see right here is the total. This team finished first. Who's on that team? This is really small, but if you click on it, it'll show in here. This is Smith, Jones, Larry, and Wallace. So they'll each get first place points. How many points is first place? Well, there's 3 teams, so they'll get 3 points. If there were 10 teams, they would have gotten 10 points. Second place, this group will get 2 points, right? Now again, if there were 10 teams, this team would get 9 points. So the first place team gets however many points there are teams, and then it just goes down by 1 for each place. So then third place would get how many? 1 point. Okay, so they'll get 1 point. Sammy, Susie, McMahon, and Peyton. All right, so then what you have to do, this is April 17th, we come into the standings, and then we have to put that down, how many points that they received. Smith got 3 points this week, right? Smith, Jones, Larry, and Wallace. And I conveniently have that in order. If this wasn't in order, you can highlight this, go to Data, Sort by column. These are all columns. And you could sort by golfer, the last name. So as the season progresses, there will be more and more names, so it'll be a little more difficult to go through them all, and it's easier if it's just alphabetized. Okay, so that's how that works. Just continuing then, second place, you've got Johnson. Now there's 2 Johnsons, so you have to make sure you get a first initial in there, and so you can determine who is who. So here we're going to just make this A Johnson. This is going to be B Johnson. All right, so Johnson and Johnson both got 2 points. Cutter and Brewer got 2 points. McMahon, Peyton, Sammy, and Susie got 1 point. Now what you see here is total points. This is the overall standings. These are the overall standings. This is how many points they have totally. Okay, so before we're done with this, we need to go to Data, and we need to sort it again. Data, Sort. This time, however, we want to sort by total points. And we want to go largest to smallest. Now, as you can see, we have a header here. So this is checked. My list has headers. If this wasn't checked, it would have highlighted this whole thing, and it would sort these. So these things would go into the middle. Golfer would be alphabetized, and it would show up right here. So it's important that we make sure my list has headers. Now I click OK, and then it sorts it, and then boom, there are our standings after April 17th.